KP hits him back for 6. The fun continues. It's been a scintillating innings. What a remarkable comeback. KP as if he's never out of form. 69 from 38, 5 sixes. Have a look at this one.
Oh, cometh the moment, cometh the man. At the moment, Kevin Pietersen, he is showing us that no matter what the situation is, he can get his team over the line. Oh, I can't believe it. Believe it. He's out in the middle and he's firing. 69 from 38.
We go again. KP positions himself for a straight drive. Only a single this time. Just casually walks it. What a game of cricket. 200. He's being overpowered. Quite a need. 34 of 16.
And with batting firepower to come too, if in case they do lose a wicket. Mahmudullah Riyad is to come in, and then Pereira. Apologies, Pereira came in before Sarfraz.
Gets it into the gap. Only a single this time, so 8 of the first 3 balls.
That's why we love this game so much. Pietersen, out of sorts, ducks left, right and centre, couldn't get a run, couldn't buy a run. Now he has to get runs here tonight in match 11, and he's 70-0 with his captain 41-0, and they've put on 79.
They all chant KP, KP. Oh, in the slot. Thank you and bye-bye, ball. Viv Richards is once again on his feet. Has that been taken on? I'm not too sure. But let's just enjoy and rejoice what we are witnessing here for Kevin Pietersen. Ballistic, majestic, imperious, unstoppable.
Missed the Yorker, and it's goodbye and good night. Viv pumped, contrasting emotions. Mr. Fawad Rana, the owner of Lahore, buries the hands over the face.
Oh, another one in the slot. He's not going to miss them. Smacked out of the middle of the bat. Unbelievable stuff. Brendan McCullum wants a bit of timeout because this youngster is under serious pressure. Those Yorkers are not working because Kevin Pietersen is in belligerent mood. Have a look at that one. That it didn't even make the middle of the bat, yet it traveled. Such a powerful striker, Kevin Pietersen. 82 from 41.
The two players in completely different phases of their career. Mohamed Irfan, an emerging player, a young player with a lot of talent, and hasn't been around a lot, up against Kevin Pietersen, who's pretty much done it all.
Oh, length ball dismissed. Unbelievable. That's gone flat. A skimmer from Kevin Pietersen. 26 off the over. Gladiators almost there. 15 now from just 12. 186 for 4.